Okay everyone, in this video I want to share to all of you about how to make this unique furniture, this organic furniture. This is for example, so I will share to you about how to make it in SketchUp. Okay, first of all you have to set the basic shape with a rectangle. Okay, this one approximately, it's for approximately about 1.7 meter and 1.4 meter. So you have to push it with a push tool. Maybe it's around 100 millimeter approximately. So you have to draw this organic of this log top table with using this freehand or it's depend on you maybe. So you can using it's about the taste of the art of your sense of the art. I mean, okay, so you can clear for the extension, and then you have to push it down until the limit. Okay, so you can get it. Then you have to triple click, right click, and just make group. So you can set the elevation from the floor. Then you have to set from the floor to the up to the top table. It's around 450 millimeter. And then you can draw again about the support of this unique table by using this freehand tool again from this surface. So you can draw it by your taste or by your desired design. Anyway, maybe it's just about the so make sure you close with the intersection this about this support, and then you can delete for unnecessary line right there. So you have to click this surface, then you have to push with the push tool to the bottom, just like this. Then you have to push it until uh, the bottom of the table, this one. Then triple click and right click and just make group, and then you can fix this issue by using the line. Okay, and then you can click this edge, and then you can click to the another edge of this bottom surface of this table. So then you can delete for unnecessary line on the surface, and you can get it. Okay, so you can assign the material with the wood, just like this. Okay, this one, and it's done. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope it be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.